doing an upgrade in my shifter bushings. Got the kit from 6 Elements. This one is gonna be going towards over here, which I'm gonna show you guys, and this one is gonna be going to the shifter. Right now I haven't put it, so it's kind of smooth, it's not that strong. So basically you have to take the battery cover. I took out my intake, it's over there, the battery, and basically this part is gonna be going over here, and this one is gonna be going over here. So basically to do this one, the tiny one, you're gonna lose this pin. You take it out, and then obviously over here you just slide this out, and then this one, when you slide it out, you're gonna put it in. So I already take out this one. Basically you use a flathead, try it on the corner over here, take it out, and then put the new one. Now with this one, it's gonna be kind of tricky how to take the rubber from here, which is this rubber. Basically this is locks, so those locks, they lock over here. Basically it was like this. I use a flathead, I stick it in the middle and pry it to each corner until it gets loose. It's gonna be kind of hard to get it out, but you can get it out. So basically this is how it's gonna look. And now when you put in the new one, which is like this fitment is a little bit more bigger than this. So basically it sticks over here, but it doesn't go in. This is the most that is gonna go in. Why is that reason? Because of this trim over here. All this trim, I have to eat it out. So basically I'm gonna use this tool, Dremel. I'm trying to use these pliers to see if it works. Trying to use a hammer. It didn't work. So I'm gonna sand this down. So after a couple of times of me taking this part off, it doesn't look the perfect, but it works. That's how it's supposed to be looking. And then the other part that goes over here like this. It's already installed. This is how it's gonna look. Obviously mine looks damaged because I was trying to do it the way that it wasn't supposed to be done. So basically just put it right there, put the pin, it's already everything on it. So everything is already back in place. The shifter is over there, and now we're gonna do the inside. So basically you lose the shift knob, which I already did. Be careful, you got a spring on it. And basically you have to lose all the sides. And basically you just lift this up. Obviously it's easy for me because I already got everything loose. And basically with a 12mm, you lose these screws, which they're already loose. You took all these 4 screws over here. So on this part, basically you don't have to unplug nothing. As soon as you take it off, you can put it on the side. It might fight you a little bit because of this clip. So I lose all 4 screws. Basically you just drag it through the side without taking that metal plate. That's if you want to. And then over here, this is how it's gonna be looking, which I already took it out. You have to take this part off first, and then after that you're gonna use a flathead, which is over here, and then you're gonna squish it. You're gonna do it like this and push it down from the top, from over here to the bottom. And then after you get it out, you're gonna get the middle part. It's gonna get over here, it's like a clip-on thing, and use a washer. I'm gonna do the rest. So at this point I take all 4 of them that are already installed. This process, it took me like 5 minutes, so it should be faster for you guys. Like I said, this part, it goes out from the top. Same thing with the rubber, is the best easy way that you can do it. So it's like this, it's like in one piece, like this, and you just push this part down with the flathead and squish this part. You cannot do it together because it won't squish. This is hard. Okay, so this is finished product. Why I haven't put this part on, because I want to upgrade for a short shifter. I got the regular shifter, I want to get the short one. Basically, how you call this product, the one that is in the front is the shifter cable and bushing kit, and this one is called shifter bushings. So you guys decide which one do you guys want to get. At the beginning when I got this, I didn't know which one it was which. I wasn't no instructions either. So what kind of difference I'm feeling? It feels more stiff. So basically when I'm going always to second shift, it's kind of hard. So look. Now it's easier for me because the gear is like nothing. So that's the only difference I can see basically. And this is not that soft no more. And then reverse, it gets like it's kind of stiff. But I guess it's until I get used to it or something. Remember, it's metal bushings. But it feels pretty good.